guys, I'm Kelly. This is Mindful Bodyworks. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's go ahead and get our wiggles out and begin in mountain pose. Pressing through all four corners of the feet, grounding, rooting down, and observing our breath. Inhaling and exhaling. On our exhales, we're releasing any tension, any stress, and allowing those shoulders to fall away from the ears. Last breath here. And exhale. Next inhale, bring those arms up and bring our hands down. Prayer position, heart center. For one final breath, dip the chin towards the chest. And when you're ready, exhale the head up and arms down. Inhale the breath in, arms up, exhale down. Again, inhale the breath in, arms up, reach and exhale down. This time we're going to inhale up. We're going to take that left wrist and stretch the side body. Exhale down. Again, inhale up. This time right wrist, pull up and over, and then exhale down. Let's do that each side one more time. Inhaling up and stretch to the side. Exhaling down. Last one. And relaxing the arms down. Inhaling up this time, hinging at the hips, swan diving down, all the way down. Relax the head, the neck, the shoulders. You can add a sway from side to side if it feels comfy. And just open those hips, open the back, relax the neck. Inhaling to half lift, straight back, straight neck. Exhaling, fold. Inhaling, half lift. And again, exhale to fold. Bringing the hands to the mat and coming down to all fours, stacking our joints, knees under hips, hands under shoulders. Coming up into cat, exhaling, bringing chin towards chest. Inhaling, cow. Exhaling, cat. And inhaling, cow, keeping that belly in nice and tight. Last time, exhale, cat. And then relax into a neutral spine. Planting all 10 fingers into the mat, tucking the toes and lifting the hips up and back into our downward facing dog. You can leave a nice bend in the knees if you want to. And let's pedal through our dog, walking the dog, opening the hips. Still filling the lungs with breath. Really stretching out here. You can wiggle to the left, wiggle to the right. And then we'll come into plank, lower down with strength. Inhale to our cobra. And exhale, down dog. Walking the hands in to meet the feet. Swaying from side to side. Inhale, half lift again. Exhale, fold. And now rolling up one vertebrae at a time. Your head's the last thing to come up. Coming to the top of the mat. And we'll step back with the right foot into a high lunge. So let's go ahead and sweep those arms up. Inhaling. And exhaling, relaxing into this nice strong lunge. Breathing here. And then bringing our hands to the hips. We're going to turn the back foot so that we're front heel, back arch. Opening the arms into warrior two. Feeling strong like a warrior. Allowing ourselves to be grounded. Exhaling, we'll go ahead and straighten that front leg. You can walk the back leg in a little bit if you need to. Reach out and then come into the triangle pose. So bringing that front arm to the front thigh, shin, ankle. Reaching up through the right arm. And then lift up through the right arm, come back up. We're going to come into warrior two again. And then we're going to inhale and sweep that right arm forward into our high lunge. Exhale, hands frame the foot. And step forward into a forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, relax. Inhale, roll up the spine. Exhale, shoulders down. And then let's step back with that left foot. Nice high lunge. Setting up our foundation. Inhaling the arms up. And breathing here, strong legs. Exhale, hands to hips. Open up that back foot so we're front heel, back arch. Open and extend the arms into warrior two. Again, feeling like someone is reaching or pulling through the hands, pulling through the fingertips, both forward and back, and looking wherever it's comfortable. And then we'll go ahead and straighten that front leg. You can wiggle that back foot in if you need to, reaching over and coming into our triangle pose. So straight legs, still heel to arch, extending that left arm up towards the sky. You can look up, forward, or down, whatever's comfy for your neck. Lifting up, coming into warrior two, and then sweeping that left arm back forward into our high lunge. Exhale the arms to frame the foot, step forward, forward fold. Inhale is a half lift now. Straight back, straight neck. Exhale, fold. Stepping back with one foot and then the other back into our downward facing dog. Really pushing through the hands. We're going to do a wave. We're going to come into plank. And then we're going to exhale into downward facing dog. And then we're going to lift and wave the spine up back into plank. And then lift back to downward dog. Plank. Nice strong foundation here. Back to dog. And then dropping one knee and then the other and coming into a kneeling position. So slowly coming up on your knees, taking your fist on the lowest part of the sacrum and making a C with the spine into camel pose. If this is uncomfortable or you have any neck issues, make sure you're looking forward with the head instead of back. And then release out of that. We're going to sit down into child's pose, knees apart, feet together, and just relax. Straightening the arms out here. We're going to walk the arms over to the right and slow the breath, stretching the side body, and then coming back to center, and then over to the left now with the arms. And then coming back to center for one more breath. And then very slowly, we'll roll it back up into a kneeling position. We're going to take our hands behind us, either grab your wrist or interlace the fingers and open the chest. You can look up or again, you can look forward. Inhale the arms up. Exhale to cactus arms. Relax down. Again, open the chest again. Open, open, open. Open the heart. Breathe. And relax the arms. Inhale up. Come back to cactus arms. And exhale down. One more time. Open the chest. Open, open, open. And then release and relax. Inhale the arms up. Back to cactus. And exhale down. We'll have our hands in our lap. And this is where we'll end our practice. So I want you to close your eyes. Bring your hands heart center, prayer position. And just take a breath. Being proud of what you've done today. Exhaling any tension. Bow your chin towards your chest for one final breath. And this is where we'll say namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'll see you next time.